Preparing garlic has just become a whole lot easier. With this premium crafted tabletop garlic press, no need for peeling. Simply place a clove of garlic, or even two, into the press. Push down on the handle, and the garlic press will peel and crush your garlic with ease. All the puree is gathered in the chamber, meaning no messy countertop or fingers. And the convenient tab means your garlic is easy to dispense, with little to no waste, and effortless cleaning. This tabletop garlic press will make cooking that much easier.